Folks, let's talk about new kids on the block joining the momentum party. Well, 2020 has been an interesting year, especially for IPOs. This year so far, we've seen 70 new public offerings, down about 10% from a year ago. On average, over the past few years, we've seen roughly 150 or so new public offerings each year. While I typically like to give a new IPO about a year or so before paying too much attention to its price and value of the stock, there's few companies on my radar that are showing potential upside ahead over the next few months. And that's why today I want to focus on brand new stocks, those that have been trading less than 1 year, and those that haven't made it on the radar of large institutional traders just yet. The first stock on my list is GFL Environmental. GFL, ticker symbol, a Canadian company that specializes in non-hazardous solid waste management, infrastructure, soil remediation, and liquid waste management services. It's the fourth largest diversified environmental service company in North America. It operates in 23 states and every Canadian province except Prince Edward Island. About a month ago, GFL made an $835 million acquisition of the assets divested by Advanced Disposal Services as part of its company sale to Waste Management for $3 billion. GFL acquired assets in 10 states that are expected to generate $350 million annually. It also provides presence for GFL in states such as Michigan, Georgia, and Pennsylvania. And the company has 94 positive earnings surprises last quarter, 94%. The company has 7 buy recommendations behind it. The short-term price target is currently $25 per share, which is about 20 to 25% higher than the current price of the stock. The second new stock on my radar, is Pharmaceutical Product Development, ticker symbol PPD. The company is a contract research organization providing comprehensive integrated drug development, laboratory, and life cycle management services. Now, these type of companies are known as CROs. PPD is one of the top CROs in the healthcare industry. CRO, not PRO, CROs in the industry. In the first quarter of 2020, PPD's revenue was 11.3% higher and came in at $1.08 billion, while adjusted net income increased by 17.3% during the quarter to about $196.9 million. It expects it to generate revenue of at least $907 million in second quarter, and the stock has a 155% higher earnings surprise last quarter. The stock is showing support from institutional investors with 12 strong buy recommendations, which is quite unusual for a stock that's been trading less than a year, which means there's a lot of eyes on this stock, and that's very positive. Assuming those surprises or those recommendations or upgrade are positive and not negative. In this case, we've got 12 strong buy recommendations. Price target is currently near $40 per share, and shares stand just a few dollars below all-time highs. Now, I believe we're going to see more upside from PPD over the next few quarters since the stock has a ton going for it. It's in the right place at the right time, and with the string of upticks and revenue growth ahead, we should see demand increase momentum in the next few quarters. And I hope that helps. Folks, I just found a mysterious package in the trunk of my car, and it's from Lance Ippolito, and it's labeled only Free Riders Club. Now, when I opened it, I found a calendar with a bunch of different dates and what looks like gains of 78% on March 25th, 180% on April 27th, 540% on June 23rd, and so on and so on and so on. I even found a note from Lance welcoming me to the Free Riders Club. You're probably wondering, what the heck is this mysterious club and what it can do for you and your money? So let's find out. Click the link below to discover what it all means.